Yo, what's good, fam? So I'm here back out here with you, finna drop some knowledge on you. This RWA information, how to buy fractional shares of real estate, you know what I mean, with the Algorand token, a ISO 20022 compliant token, as well as with the Para wallet, you know what I mean? So y'all finna watch me buy real estate fractional shares for the first time using Lofty. So right here, what you see is the marketplace of all the properties that's available. Let me darken this real quick. All the properties on the marketplace that's available here. And you could choose from cash flowing properties, vacation rentals, commercial, single family, multifamily, owner occupied, seller buyback. Today, I'm going to be doing a single family. I'm going to start my purchasing of tokens for a particular single family property that I found in Florida. So we're going to go there real quick so I can show you all the property that I'm going to be purchasing right here. See the home path. So right here you see it's active online, Palm Coast, Florida with the zip code. So one token price 42. I'm gonna purchase 2 today. That's how much I have in my wallet. So that's enough for that in my wallet today. So you could go down here and get details about the property. 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,200 square feet, single family residence. The offering details from the owner. You know, right here for this particular one, why I liked it and why I'm going to jump on it really quick, because it's not upside down. The property appraised almost $300,000. It's listed at $288. The total loan balance on this property is $154. So there's some equity there in this property. So for me, that's good enough. It's $2,100 being leased right now, and the leasing renewal date is April the 1st, 2026. It's in a B-rated area. That's good enough for me. I don't care about that. You can go here and then you can go check out various views of the property as well. You know what I'm saying? So it got about 35 of them. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'll show you a few of them. But this is the property that I'll be purchasing fractional shares of ownership. Look good, don't it? You know what I mean? And hopefully, you know, I'll be able to, you know, get up to the majority share with the owner who actually owns 176 of these tokens. So, but anyway, here's the financials for this particular property. All right. You know, you can go through there and do that on your own. Order book. I'm just showing you where to go and what you'll see when you get there. You know what I mean? So people have been buying and selling the fractional shares on this particular property. And then you got the documents here, you know what I'm saying, where you can go access right there via this particular link. And then you have the market data here, you know, about Palm Coast. It's a lifestyle, you know, harmonizes effortlessly with the natural environment. You know, it has a lot of beautiful parks. It's close to Hammock Beach, St. Augustine, Daytona Beach. It's in on the east coast of Florida. So, you know, you have to worry about hurricanes, but I ain't really worried about that. You know, people who live in Florida be prepared for that. And most likely this home has insurance. So let's go ahead and jump on the purchasing of these 2 tokens. Yeah, family. So right here, I had to go on my phone to do the actual transaction. So we're going to go ahead and jump on this listing here. I put the wrong because it's 20. I got 30. Fat fingered it a little bit. So let's go ahead and get to the listing. All right. So we're going to go ahead and do a buy. We're going to do 2 tokens. I've already pre-moved the money from my Para wallet over into my Lofty account. So I'm going to do a market buy. You can do a market or a limit, but I'm going to do a market because I want it at the market price. You know what I'm saying? So, and we're going to use Lofty wallet. Y'all saw how much it costs to do that. You see the price. we're gonna use Algorand because that's what's in there. As you can see, 568. I got 691. So that's what I'll be putting in there. So let's preview the order. Go ahead and make that happen real quick. You know, so you can see everything lined up for you there. Payment currency and Algorand, original price, slippage, final token price, the Lofty fee where they make their money. And then I can make this a recurring investment every week. The next time I come back to purchase, I'll set that up. You know what I'm saying? And I'll do it every week until I get the amount of tokens that I want. So let's go ahead and submit the order. And then we'll see what happens after that. It's taking a little bit of time, but you know, I ain't gonna let y'all suffer through it. I'll come back once the order go through. Well, family, market order completed. You can see the transaction on the blockchain if you click that highlighted transaction information. And as you can see now, Cedar Home Path, I now own fractional shares of Cedar Home Path. So let's go over here and check it out. My account, you're gonna see the account there, and then I guess it'll update here momentarily with my assets. You know, if you view the properties, let's see what that is. Oh, there we actually no. There we go. So it did something because my available balance is only $1. So I guess I gotta wait for it to update here. So once it updates, I'll come back and show you, you know what I mean, what my assets in here, what I have. Let's see transactions. Let's go see transactions. Oh yeah, I guess it got to update. Oh, there it is right there. So you see, so I just gotta wait for it to update. So the balance in there 11.3. So I'll show y'all that once it updates. And yeah, man. So now I own fractional shares of this property, and I don't have to do no landlord nothing, and I'll be able to sit back and earn some money, man. You know, but I gotta get my token game up. So here's a way you can get into real estate, tokenized shares right on Lofty AI. You know what I mean? If you need some help, assistance on doing that, I can show you how to do it. You know what I mean? If you've been trying to get in the real estate game, man, here's a way you can get in the real estate game, man. Painless. You feel me? I mean, just go on the website and check it out. You know what I mean? On the next slide, I'm going to have my link. Go ahead and click that, sign up, get you an account, and go ahead and start investing, man. You know what I'm saying? You can find something cheaper than what I bought.